Ever wondered how to write requests into AI invidio.io? Well, you're not alone. invidio.io is a revolutionary platform that brings the power of artificial intelligence to video editing. This powerful tool can transform the way you create and edit videos, saving you time and effort while delivering professional quality results. But to fully harness its potential, it's essential to understand how to properly write requests into the platform. Think of these requests as a language that the AI understands, a language that tells it what to do and how to do it. Not only can this boost your productivity, but it can also open up a world of creative possibilities that you may not have thought possible. So, whether you're an experienced video editor or just starting out, mastering this language is a skill worth having. Stay tuned as we break down this process into manageable steps. Writing requests into invidio.io is easier than you may think. Let's dive into the nitty-gritty, shall we? First things first, start by logging into your AI invidio.io account. If you're a first-timer, setting up an account is a piece of cake. Just follow the prompts. Once you're in, navigate to the New Request button, typically located on the upper side of the dashboard. Now comes the fun part, writing your request. You'll find a text box where you can type in your video specifications. It may seem daunting at first, but don't worry. You'll get the hang of it in no time. Remember to be as clear and concise as possible. The more detailed your request, the better the AI can understand and execute it. You might be wondering what to include in your request. Here's a quick rundown. Start by specifying the type of video you want. This could be anything from a promotional video for a new product, an explainer video, or maybe a fun animated video to engage your audience. Next, detail the style and tone of your video. Do you want it to be professional and polished, or perhaps lighthearted and humorous? The choice is yours. Then, discuss the length of the video. This is crucial as it helps the AI understand how much content to generate. Remember, the length can greatly impact the pacing and flow of the video. Lastly, don't forget to mention any specific elements you want included. This could be anything from certain visuals, specific text overlays, or even particular transitions. Now, perhaps you're wondering about commands. These are essentially instructions that tell the AI what to do. For instance, the cut command can be used to split a scene, while the zoom command allows you to focus on a particular element in the scene. There are numerous commands available, and understanding them can greatly enhance the quality of your video. And voila, you've written your request. It's as simple as that. Once you're done, hit the submit button and let the magic happen. With these steps, you can write your requests accurately and effectively. Now you're well on your way to creating stunning professional videos with AI invidio.io. So what are you waiting for? Get started today. Now that you know the basics, it's time to explore some additional commands that you can handle. Dive deeper into the sea of possibilities. Commands like fade in and fade out can add a dramatic flair to your videos. Use them at the beginning or end of a scene for that professional touch. Zoom in and zoom out commands allow you to focus on the details or take a broader view of your scene respectively. If you want to create a slow motion effect, slow down is your go-to command. On the flip side, the speed up command can be used to fast forward through less important parts. Remember, mute comes in handy when you want to silence a particular section of your video, while unmute brings back the sound. Commands like add text and remove text provide control over the textual content of your video. Mastering these commands can significantly improve your video editing skills. Lastly, let's talk about music, an essential element in video editing. Choosing the right tune for your video can make all the difference. It sets the mood, underscores key moments, and can even tell a story all on its own. But how do you pick the perfect track? On AI invidio.io, you have a vast library of music at your fingertips. Yet the right choice depends on your video's tone and content. Is it a lighthearted explainer or a serious documentary? Maybe a fast-paced action sequence or a heartfelt personal story. Each requires a different soundtrack. Consider the pace, rhythm, and mood of your video. The music should echo these elements, not clash with them. And remember, less is often more. An overly complex track can distract from your video's message, so experiment with different genres, tempos, and instruments. With the right music, you can bring your videos to life. So, there you have it. we've journeyed through the essentials of using AI in invidio.io, from writing requests to mastering additional commands, and to the art of choosing just the right tune. Each step is a tool in your video editing toolbox, ready to be wielded and refined. And remember, with every command you write and every beat you choose, you're honing your skills and transforming your video content. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting, and soon, you'll be an expert at using AI in invidio.io for your video editing needs.